I am here. I'm using the brand new Froothie. It is the H3000 second gen Optimum juicer. It is a wide mouth. It is a slow press. It is absolutely stunning to look at. Like, it's just so sleek and modern. I've used a lot of juicers. I've used a Breville. I've used a Cuvings. I've used a Champion. This one is up there. Ease, simplicity. I didn't even read the instruction manual to put it together. I'm not an instruction manual reader. It just clipped together. I gave it a wash, I clipped it together, and it was done. As you can hear, it's not that loud, which is a big thing for me. I don't want excess noise where I can avoid it. And I've juiced that much. I've juiced probably a quarter of a bunch